How to set up your webcam on OBS. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can set up your webcam on OBS, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically set up your webcam on OBS Studio, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then basically first of all open up OBS Studio and select a scene. Inside that scene, you need to add a video capture device because this video capture device is a webcam, right? So once you select that, we can just go to its properties. Now, if you have added any sort of webcam over here, you'll actually find them in this case, right? So just go ahead and select any of the other ones that you might have added here. If you've added a camera, you'll find them. You can configure the video in this case. You can configure the crossbar. You can select resolution type. You can select output. Click on the OK option, and then that webcam will get successfully set up. This way you can go ahead and then basically set up webcam for OBS. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.